chapter 13, part J. And we go to question number 36.
Question number 36. An investor plans to pay $200,000 for a vacant lot, which he will sell at the end of 3 years for $580,000. What effective annual rate will the investor earn? So what he is looking here, effective annual rate, J1, right? So we just put all those figures, 200,000 present value, 580
Future value
plus minus future value, 0 plus minus payment, 3M, one shift PYR, IYR. So answer is 42.60431.
If the same sum, if they ask, tell us monthly, what do? We just divide by 12, right? So 5 keys you enter, 6th one you have to find, right? Whether it's annually, semi-annually, monthly, right? If they ask semi-annually, then what do? Divide by 2. If they ask quarterly, then divide by 4, right? And then we go back to the question number. Question number 32? Yeah, we can go to 32 and you can also write down 32 there too.
Question number 32. Smiling Sue purchased a townhouse in March 1987 for $62,000. In March 1992, it was appraised at $140,000. In March 1995, Smiling Sue sold the townhouse for $122,000, what was the pre-tax yield on her investment expressed as an effective annual rate? So here we are looking for effective annual rate. Effective annual rate is J1. So here we have 62,000 present value. What's the future value? 122 plus minus future value, 0 plus minus payment. What's the N here? 8.
Yes, so you have to figure out the number of years, right?
8N.
Yeah.
From March 1987 to March 1995. 8N. How many compounding periods per year? One shift PYR, IYR.
So it's the same kind of sum, right? Exactly the same. Only thing here you have, they didn't tell you 3 year or 4 year, 5 year. They have given the year. Now you have to calculate yourself from 87 to 95.
Because they just
right?
they just make it a bit complex by putting in March 1992 it was appraised as whatever it is. But you are looking for the future value at the end of the term, right? So the future value is $122,000.
Okay, so that sum is so we can go back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which one? 55.
So we can go to 55, and 55 we can write down there too. We can write 55 there too, on number 1. So when you do the number 1, so now basically you do all these numbers 24, 30, 32, 36, 55, right? In one shot.
Question number 55. An investor has negotiated to purchase a piece of raw land for $375,000. He believes that the land will increase substantially in value. At the end of 3 years, he will be able to sell the land for $483,400. What yield, express and effective annual rate will he earn on his investment? So effective annual rate, looking for J1. Here the present value is $375,000. Future value is 483,400 plus minus future value, 0 plus minus payment, 3N, 1 shift PYR, then IYR. 8.8324.
So basically it's the repetition of the sums, right? It's basically different numbers. So that's it for this part.